Hello, my name is Tom Vignolini. I'm with Van Air Systems. I am the Sales and Marketing Manager. I'm here to talk to you today about the Pro 25 Blast Pack Dryer. For those of you who have never seen this, the Blast Pack is developed for all blasting and painting applications that are portable for the most part, but we also have used these indoors in a stationary application as well because they're so conveniently packed into one little frame. Basic operation of this unit: you send hot wet air into the aftercooler. The aftercooler cools it down to close to ambient conditions. We then send cool air down into the dryer tank. From there, this is where all the magic happens on this dryer. We have our proprietary blend of dry light desiccant on the inside. That dry light desiccant will absorb moisture. As it does, it slowly dissolves. After that moisture latent air passes through the desiccant and the desiccant strips out all the water, it'll pass as dry air into the afterfilter. The afterfilter will basically catch any desiccant particles before they would go downstream. So you send hot, wet air into the aftercooler and it comes out as nice, cool, dry, clean, compressed air. We're going to talk about some unique features and benefits to the Van Air Blast Pack Pro. We chose the Pro 25 for this video because I am too short to reach the features on the other Blast Packs. First feature is lifting lugs. We actually have a gigantic hole in our lifting lugs so that any size hook on a shipyard would be able to pick up this unit and move it around the shipyards. We also have a removable aftercooler. Simply by removing these 4 bolts, you're able to pick up the aftercooler so that you can work on the air motor if you should have to. From there, we move into the tie downs. You got these on each one of the uprights. We installed them so that you could grab it with a J-hook and secure it down to a trailer or a truck. However you need to strap it down, you can do so with each of these 4 hooks. On the bigger units, you can even send the hook all the way through so you have one strap from front to back. The last feature, which is probably the most important and unique to any other portable air dryer on the market, is our 4-way access. You can see the fork pockets in the front. A lot of times people are trying to fit it on a certain spot on a trailer, and being able to pick from all 4 sides allows you to put it in the exact location you need. The most important feature on any portable system is the deliquescent tank. We actually invented the technology back in 1944. As such, our dryers actually carry the industry-leading warranty of 15 years. Anything happens in 15 years, you call me up, we make it right. We have a fill port where you put your desiccant. We have a sight window to show you where the desiccant level is at any given time. Whenever it dips below this, you know you have to replenish your desiccant. So another feature of the Blast Pack Pro is our air motor. That is common to most air drying systems on the market today. One of the things that we do is we actually pull air from the filter into the FRL. This is going to condition the air, it's also going to lubricate the air, and it's going to lubricate that air motor. That way your air motor doesn't seize up. You always need to make sure you have oil in the lubricator so that your air motor is functioning properly. One of the unique features that we do that nobody else does is we actually take a supply line off of the air motor. Most people just have a muffler that drips down into the tank and oil into the environment. Not very good. We send that line into a F200 filter, which we capture that oil and are able to even reuse the oil if you run out of oil in the lubricator. Thank you for your time and watching these videos about our features and benefits. As you can tell, dry air matters to us, and we hope it matters to you as well.